Well, I guess the system of Ginebra is pretty much the same when I was there, so under Coach Tim. So I think going into this game, I don't think we have an advantage. Kasi it's, I mean, in the end of the day, it's Coach Tim pa rin. He will find way, to get this win, to get this first victory with the Ginebra team. But I guess nagplano lang ako na sa tingin ko na may chance kami to get this win. We have a game plan. Hirap naman kasi isa-isahin ng mga ginagawa ni Ginebra kasi madami, kulang ng oras. But yung mga important keys lang yun talaga diniscuss ko sa team. And I guess the advantage is I know the basic of what they're running. So yun, nagawa lang ako ng plano to counter that. Because Ginebra is really good at executing their offense. Kilala Ginebra sa ngayon, especially team Coach Tim. And we were ready also sa defense na ibibigay nila sa amin. So we practice our offense also to execute our offense because Ginebra is a defensive team also.